How to adjust your weight-sensing synchro-tilt chair mechanism. Adjustable seat height contributes to good posture and comfort. To raise, simultaneously lift your weight from the seat and pull up the lever. To lower, pull up the lever while sitting. Proper seat height is when your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor. Adjustable seat depth allows you to sit with your back, buttocks, and thighs properly supported without pressure at the back of your knees. Pull up the lever while using your body weight to slide the seat forward or backward. Release the lever to lock. Proper seat depth is when your back is in contact with the chair back and you can slide at least your fingers up to your fist in the space between the seat and the back of your knees. Tilting in your chair increases your overall movement throughout the day. The weight-sensing synchro-tilt feature allows the back to tilt at a faster rate than the seat, opening up the angle at the hips as you lean back. The feature responds to your body weight, eliminating the need for a tilt tension control. You should be able to tilt freely without effort. If you want to fix the chair in position, engage the tilt lock. Pull up the lever. Now the tilt is locked. Push the lever down to unlock. Proper use of this feature increases your overall movement while you are working.